Namaste, beloved friends, and welcome to the weekly meditation. I'm going to be leading you through a meditation today about unity. Inviting you now to close your eyes and coming inside. Becoming aware of your inner self, which is there, always there, your place of divine abiding. And breathe. And allow any tensions in the body and mind to drain away down through the floor and deep down into the earth. This is your time to be with yourself in the now, right now. To let go of tensions, to let go of stresses, to let go of all your problems right now. And just be here now. In this moment in which we all share in this meditation and receive the love and light that is being poured into you from the divine, from existence itself. Open your heart, open your mind, and allow yourself to receive all those blessings. Breathe them in and breathe them out. So you receive blessings and you can also give blessings to others. But you must receive them first. Excuse me. And feel your whole body relaxing now. There's nothing to do. There is simply being here. And so your whole body can relax. Dropping your shoulders down, dropping your jaw down, relaxing arms and hands, legs and feet. As you drop even deeper down inside, connecting to your center 2 inches below the navel. Your place of divine abiding, your place of peace and calm, of joy, of wisdom, of love. The essence of who you are. And as you breathe and allow your body to become more relaxed, feel now all your emotions and your heart relaxing. Because they will. When you start relaxing with the body, then it's easier for the emotions, for the heart to relax. And feel your chest expanding. So you can allow in even more love and light. And breathe it in. feeling the joy of breathing in all that love. So be aware of your heart expanding to receive even more. And open your mind to receive the love and light that is being poured into you. Allow the mind to relax. It will relax. The more the body is relaxed, the more the mind can relax. Just feel your whole mind relaxing. Doesn't have to do anything. And as you notice how you feel with the body more relaxed, the heart and emotions more relaxed, the mind more relaxed, you start to feel a unity within yourself. We have a physical body, a mental body, a spiritual body, and an emotional body. And we want all four of those bodies to be in harmony with each other and balanced, unified, as we are one, the whole of us. See if you can feel that now, connecting to your body, your physical body, your emotional body, your mental body, and your spirit or your soul. As you continue to breathe and drop even deeper down inside. This is what unity feels like within yourself. All the parts of you in harmony, in balance. And often for many, it's the mental body that gets overworked. But as soon as you close your eyes and breathe and come into your physical body and allow your physical body to relax, this helps the mental body to relax too, and helps to bring the energy down from the head into the body and then on all the way on down to the feet, which are your grounding. Your feet are your grounding, your connection to the earth. So allowing all this now, there's nothing to force, there's no trying, there's simply allowing. With the awareness that you have these four bodies and that you want them in harmony with each other, in a balance with each other. And when you start with yourself in this way, then what you notice is that you are more in harmony with everybody you meet. You're more in harmony with nature, with the birds and the trees and the flowers, because you are more in harmony with them. And then it makes being in harmony with other people easier when you're in harmony with yourself. We are all one. On the soul level, we are all one. On the personality level, we are different, very different, which is a good thing. It gives variety to our lives. And we have all kinds of different creativity from the different personalities, but always coming from the soul, because it's at the soul level where we are unified where we are one. And that's what we all have in common with any other human being on this earth, and the animals and plants and trees, and with nature, is we're all connected on the soul level. So even though some people seem to be difficult, have different opinions to you, live in a different way than you do, different skin color, different religions, different sexual orientations, that's all okay. Because on the soul level, we're all one. And the more you stay in a unified whole with yourself, the easier it is to be accepting of people who are different than you. To not judge them. Because really, if you're judging them, you're judging yourself. And so we always get the most benefit when we start with ourselves. Accept yourself. Accept who you are in this moment right now, which is not going to be perfect, because nobody's perfect. It's not about being perfect. It's about being authentically who you are in any given moment, being true to yourself, being honest, being real. And what is intimacy? Intimacy is being fully yourself in any given moment. Because when you're fully yourself and you let down all your guards and defenses, then you can come closer to people and they can come closer to you. And so the love is stronger. So benefits all around. And really feel right now that unity within yourself. Your body, your emotions, your mind, and your spirit, all four working together, feeling balanced. Just bringing your awareness to it now. Because if you notice at any time during the day or night that you don't feel balanced, then check in. Am I too much in the mental body? Am I too much in the emotional body? Am I too much in the physical body? Forgetting about the other parts. So do check-ins with yourself from time to time with non-judgment and compassion for yourself, because everybody goes out of balance from time to time. That's okay. You use your awareness to bring yourself back into balance, back into that unity, back into that inner harmony, because then you get your inner peace and the joy and the love and the wisdom that come with that. That balanced connection with yourself. All right, my friends, we've come to the end of our meditation for today. So I invite you now to slowly open your eyes and come back into the room you're in and notice how you feel now. Notice the body, the emotions, the mind, with non-judgment. It is what it is in any given moment. It's not about judging ourselves. but just about being aware of what is. That's it, very simple. And as always, you're welcome to write in the comments any experiences you want to share, ask any questions. If you're watching the replay, write replay so I know you're following us. And I always read the comments, answer them. So I love to hear from you. So I'm wishing you a wonderful week of harmony, peace, joy, and unity of mind, body, spirit, and heart and emotions. Eva says, Danke Pragito, loved it. I'm so glad that you loved it, Eva. Wonderful. Thank you for sharing that. Don't see any more comments right now, but I come back. I do. I come back to check up because I know of you. I know some of you are in all different time zones, so you can't always be live, which is fine. All right, my friends. Namaste. I love you all. Francesca sends me a big heart. Thank you. I like getting hearts. I love you all, and I look forward to seeing you all next week. And keep in touch with your comments, your questions, whatever it is you want to share, because you help each other when you put questions and comments. So don't be shy about doing that. All right, my friends.